As a sales executive for a company that sells office equipment to large companies with over 1,000 employees, it is essential to utilize CRM to be able to reach my goals on a monthly, weekly, and daily basis. Some of the sales functions and activities that would be necessary would include prospecting. This deals with actively seeking new and potential customers in the target market. The approach could involve participating in events that are specific to a particular industry, engaging with the decision makers, and tapping into existing connections to identify potential avenues for engagement. It is essential to input these leads into the CRM tool. The second process would deal with qualifying these leads. It includes conducting research into the needs of the prospect and budget authority assessment. This helps in assessing compatibility with what the company offers. We would have to make sure to include any initial meetings with the clients, the needs assessment, evaluations of proposals and demonstrations, negotiation strategies, contract negotiations, and ongoing follow-up. It is important to have all of this in CRM so that it is able to be accessed with the sales team, the marketing team, the higher ups, anybody involved with the company, so we are all on the same page. As a sales executive, in order to find, qualify, and manage new leads and convert them into prospects, it is absolutely crucial to use a CRM system. Lead generation involves the use of different channels, such as trade shows, online platforms, industry conferences, and referrals. There's multiple formats and ways that we could use to find our leads. This involves face-to-face and online platforms. The use of a CRM system involves the meticulous documentation of lead information. It includes contact details, company profiles, and relevant notes from the first interaction and beyond. Leads are then accepted based on a predefined criteria like company size, industry relevance, and budget availability. So essentially, it involves a scoring process, and it enables us to send leads to the right people and based on priorities as well. Automation in CRM would facilitate the nurturing process more easily with personalized communications, targeted content delivery, and ongoing engagements. A comprehensive CRM pipeline management would allow the tracking of the progress of leads through the sales funnel from first contact to conversion. It makes sure that the potential opportunities do not slip through the cracks. We also have to regularly analyze the CRM data that we have, and marketers could use this to assess the effectiveness of the lead generation and the strategies that they are using. We are able to either refine them to be able to optimize our long-term success and lead conversion. As a sales executive, a CRM tool such as HubSpot plays a central role in the sales process. It helps us identify and manage new sales opportunities and close them efficiently. Using a HubSpot CRM can easily capture, track, and potential leads from various sources, including social media, marketing campaigns, inbound phone calls, and website inquiries. HubSpot CRM automatically captures the information and creates a lead record, and it is up to us to continue to input the information and the details needed. HubSpot CRM offers the capability to segment these leads based on the size of the company and the specific equipment needs. This segmentation is valuable because it enables us to tailor the communication to the different types of leads more effectively. An example would be creating email templates that address the specific needs and interests of companies of different sizes or industry, saving time and ensuring that the messages are more relevant to the recipient. Tailoring the messages, essentially. The sales pipeline feature in HubSpot CRM is a critical tool that helps manage and track opportunities as they progress from leads to customer. This feature provides a visual representation of the sales process, allowing to see the status of each opportunity. So it would enable us to track which stage of the sales process each lead is in, whether it's prospecting, qualifying, proposing, or closing. The visibility enables us to prioritize our efforts and focuses on the opportunities that are more likely to convert into customers. We are able to assign the leads to the correct people and be able to get the most closure on these sales. The sales pipeline features enables to set reminders and notifications for important follow-up actions, ensuring that we stay on top of each opportunity and maximize the chances of closing deals. Outside of the HubSpot CRM, we could prioritize building strong relationships with customers by engaging with them directly and scheduling face-to-face meetings. These interactions would allow us to gather valuable feedback, ensure their satisfaction with our products and services, and increase the chances of receiving referrals. It builds the trust within us. It is important to manage our time daily, weekly, and monthly and quarterly to ensure that we are targeting the right sales activities and achieving our overall performance goals. In order to do that, on a daily basis, we would need to check our CRM dashboard and review the appointments, tasks, and follow-ups. This is the bread and butter. It is essentially the little things that lead up to the big moments. It is essential to focus on the high priority tasks that match with the sales goal. On a weekly basis, it is important to set goals at the beginning of the week and strive to accomplish them by the end of the week. It is also important to plan the schedule for the week to ensure that we do not overlook any details of the goals, and review lead information to verify that everything is correct. We need to be able to refine our week if need be. On a monthly basis, we will use CRM systems to review the sales pipeline and the status of each opportunity. It is also important to set monthly goals and analyze reports generated by the CRM to see the improvements of the month and areas for improvement to reach the goals. At the end of the quarter, it is important to review the sales performance to understand the number of wins and losses, learn from them, and continue to improve for the new quarter by setting new goals. CRM is essential in every period, from daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Aligning sales and marketing efforts is essential to helping us achieve our goals. In order to do that, we would need to utilize CRM to track and manage leads generated through various channels, including face-to-face interactions, events, websites, inquiries, and marketing campaigns, all the way from online, digital platforms to in-person interactions. We would work closely with the marketing team to ensure that leads are properly nurtured and qualified and being handed over to the sales team, with prioritization involved. We do this by implementing a lead scoring criteria within the CRM system based on their level of engagement and fit with the company's ideal customer profile. We can leverage CRM data and insights to personalize outreach efforts to prospects. Use the information gathered from marketing campaigns and interactions to tailor the messaging and communication strategies. Besides using CRM data, we also need to conduct outside market research to understand our target audience and see what our competitors are doing as well. When we plan and execute marketing campaigns, we want to make sure the campaigns we are developing create a demand for our office equipment. An important step when using CRM is to maintain information up to date so it makes the sales process easier for all of us involved. We need to utilize CRM to schedule and track our follow-up activities and make sure we are doing this on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. The last sales process, and possibly one of the most important, is finding a way to know if what we are doing is effective. The way to do this is by implementing closed-loop reporting processes to track the effectiveness of marketing campaigns and generating qualified leads and supporting sales efforts. Using CRM analytics and reporting features to measure key sales metrics such as conversion rates, deal, and revenue attribution. We need to regularly communicate with the marketing team to share insights and feedback on the quality and quantity of leads generated. It is essential to look at our analytics and reporting on a daily and weekly basis and realign our focuses if need be.